Today we are going to learn full wave control converter. Now what is control converter? Control converter is circuit which provides controlled output at the load, that is amount of load voltage or amount of load power to be delivered at the load can be controlled. Now to control this power we are using control device, that is the device which can control amount of power to be delivered at load. For that purpose we are using SCRs. SCR is nothing but silicon control rectifier. By adjusting amount of current at the gate terminal, load power can be controlled. Here we can see in positive half cycle what happens. SCR, this point becomes L, this point becomes N, that is line and neutral. In positive half cycle this point becomes L. SCR T1 and T4 gets forward biased. Now SCR are in forward bias condition but not in conducting condition. Once we triggered that SCRs, then it gets conduct. Once they are conduct, they are act as a closed switch and maximum current is now flow through these two SCRs. Here we can see this is our positive half cycle of duration of pi, that is 180. Here we can say 90 degree duration phase angle, and approximately here we can say approximately 60 degree, that is at omega t is equal to 60 we are triggering two SCRs, and we can denote it by alpha, which is nothing but firing angle. Alpha is nothing but firing angle, and amount of duration for which SCR is conducting, or we can say amount of duration for which power is delivered to load, can be denoted by beta, that is conducting angle. Alpha is our firing angle, beta is conducting angle. Once SCR get triggered at firing angle alpha, current starts to flow through circuit. Now current here following path L, again L to T1 to load to T4 and ends at neutral, that is N. Due to resistive load, this load current waveform is also similar to load voltage, that is voltage and current waveform are positive and in phase due to resistive load. In negative half cycle, that is at omega t is equal to pi, what happens? This supply voltage gets phase reversal. Here we can see supply is reversing its polarity. That's why this N point becomes L and this L point becomes N. That is line and neutral are now reversed. Due to which what happens? SCR T3 and T2 are now in forward biased. Current now following this path from N to T3 to R to T2 and to ends at point L. Again due to resistive load, voltage and current waveform is also positive and in phase. Here also we can see firing angle alpha is here also nothing but approximately we can say 60 degree. Here is our one half cycle of pi duration, another half cycle of pi duration. This total full cycle is 360 duration, and here is 180 phase angle. Here we can say 90 degree phase angle, and here we can say approximately 60 degree. Here also approximately 60 degree. Now this 60 degree is nothing but firing angle alpha, and for phase angle for which this SCR is conducting is called conduction angle beta. For simplicity purpose, I have shown here in positive half cycle SCR T1 and T4 are conducting current following this path, and in negative half cycle SCR T3 and T4 conducting current is following, starts from here and follows this path. This is the working of our single phase full wave controlled converter.